Every sheet of paper begins its journey in a forest. Long before it becomes a notebook or a book, paper starts as a living tree.
By utilizing advanced, clean industrial equipment, we ensure that our forestry operations are both efficient and sustainable.
Once harvested, the logs are delivered to a paper mill, where the transformation from wood to paper begins. Inside the mill, the logs are stripped of their bark and cut into small wood chips.
The wood chips are then mixed with water and chemicals, breaking them down into a soft mixture called pulp.
This pulp is carefully washed and refined to remove impurities and create smooth paper fibers. Next, the pulp is spread evenly onto a moving mesh, where water drains away and the fibers begin to bond. The wet paper sheet then passes through heated rollers, pressing and drying it into solid paper. After drying, the paper is smoothed, inspected, and wound into massive rolls. These rolls are cut into smaller sheets and prepared for printing, packaging, or binding.
From a living tree to a blank page, paper quietly supports our daily lives in countless ways.